Paying bills with QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process that helps you stay on top of your finances and avoid late payments. To get started, navigate to the Vendors menu and select Pay Bills. This will take you to the Pay Bills window where you can choose the bills you want to pay. First, select the bank account you want to use to pay the bills from the drop-down menu. Then, choose the bills you want to pay by checking the box next to each bill. You can filter the bills by date, vendor, or amount to make it easier to find the ones you want to pay. Once you have selected the bills, enter the payment date and the payment method. You can choose to pay by check, credit card, or online banking. If you are paying by check, you can print the checks directly from QuickBooks Online or manually write the check number. Next, review the payment details to make sure everything is accurate. Check the vendor, bill date, due date, and payment amount to ensure you are paying the correct bills. If everything looks good, click the Pay button to record the payment. After you have paid the bills, QuickBooks Online will update the vendor balances and mark the bills as paid. You can also set up automatic bill payments to ensure timely payments and avoid late fees. To do this, go to the Vendors menu and select Set up automatic bill payments. By following these steps, you can easily pay your bills with QuickBooks Online and stay on top of your finances. It is also a good idea to set up reminders and notifications to ensure you never miss a payment. Additionally, you can track your payment history and vendor balances to make informed financial decisions. Overall, paying bills with QuickBooks Online is a simple and efficient process that saves you time and reduces errors. By using this feature, you can streamline your accounts payable process and focus on growing your business.